Jenny, are you there? Yes. What's the matter? I need your help. I have a date with my boyfriend this afternoon, and I'm really bad at preparing things for the first impression. Oh, come on, take it easy. I'll help you then. Okay, first of all, we need an outfit for you that day. What do you usually wear when hanging out with friends? Well, let's say jeans and t-shirts are all I have. Forget it, my friend. We need a brand new you. Have you ever worn a dress before? Yes, but only some special occasions with family. Let me show you my closet then. All right, this blue checked skirt is really lovely. You can wear it with a white crop top. Well, I must take issue with you on that. I cannot wear a crop top. It would show my fat belly to everyone. So how about this dress? I love the navy color of the dress. Well, I'm afraid I have to disagree because it's kind of tight to my body. I don't prefer sexy types. It's hard to choose an item of clothes for you. Yeah, I know. Okay, so let's follow the energetic style then. I'd suggest that you wear a polo white shirt with shorts and wear white Adidas shoes. What do you think? I think I'm gonna love this style. Let me try it on. Wow, you look young and lovely. Yes, thank you for helping me choose this outfit. Okay, so the final step is makeup. Let me do it for you. He would prefer the tender vibe from your face. Okay, done. Good luck with your first date. Thank you. Welcome home. Tell me about his feelings when he saw you. Well, he's kind of surprised when I changed my style. He said he loved it, and I had a really perfect first date with him. That's a good thing. Congrats. I can't wait until the day we go to Dalat. What should we do there? We should make a detailed and careful list. Couldn't agree more. In my opinion, we should separate into 3 sections: shopping, eating, and sightseeing. If no one says anything, we'd go along with that idea. Now, shall we start with the sightseeing section first? Which places do you guys think they're worth visiting? How about Dalat Waterfall, guys? I've never seen a waterfall in my life. That's true. We should put it on the list. How about the other places? Let's say Lavender Garden, the Valley of Love, and other flower gardens. Some people said that when going to Dalat, we should visit a variety of flowers. That's a good point. Don't you think we should not spend so much time visiting flower gardens? Just write down one garden. I'd suggest the lavender one. Then we can have time going to other attractions. You're absolutely right. Hey, you guys may forget the night market. Oh, yes, and we can move to the next section of what to eat in Dalat. The night market would be a perfect place for us to choose what we want to enjoy. What should we try here? Personally, the pizza street here is awesome. And also the avocado ice cream. We'd better try them.
Yeah, the soy milk is delicious too.
Wow, seems like we have a lot of options.
Okay, let's talk about the shopping section. What should we buy in Dalat?
I believe that we can buy lots of special souvenirs for our relatives. In Dalat, we have Lang Farm, which is really famous for Dalat's specialties. Yeah, and winter clothes in Dalat is also another good choice for girls. I love buying shawls there.
So do I! Well, I think it's enough for today's making list. We can discuss the rest tomorrow.
Alright, let's start the next lesson then.
It's nearly Mom's birthday. Should we do something for her, Daddy?
Of course. I haven't had any ideas yet. Do you have anything on your mind at the moment?
I'd say that we should make a birthday cake for her. It will be more meaningful than buying one in the cake store, won't it?
Yeah, I'm not really keen on cooking. In fact, I'm kinda bad at it. Also, buying ingredients is really expensive.
You're right. It is generally accepted that flowers are the best gift for women. But that's not the same thing at all, Daddy. I think after the party, the flowers won't be fresh like the first day. Then we have to throw it away after that.
That's true. We should cross out the options cake and flowers.
I think so too. Wait! I know!
What?
Last week, when going to the supermarket with Mom, I saw she was being impressed by a red dress in a female mall. The dress is not expensive, but lovely. Would you like to look at it with me again?
Yes, I agree. I think it's a brilliant idea. Maybe your mom will be surprised as we know what she likes at the moment.
Should we buy the birthday cake?
I think we should buy the small one because I'm not fond of sweet things. Neither is she.
Okay, so let's go.
As far as I'm concerned, the main cause for water pollution is the amount of wastewater which is dumped yearly from factories near local lakes and rivers, thus resulting in the ocean pollution. What do you guys think?
I agree with you entirely. And I'd like to point out that the factory in our area also dumps a large quantity of chemical wastes into the local lake, which leads to the stinky smell and affects the whole neighborhood, including my house. You guys are right. It is considered that the local authority is seriously dealing with this problem.
I'm not so sure about that, Ms. Kim. However, as a student, personally, I think we can improve this situation by some practical actions. That's just what I was thinking. In my experience, we should raise awareness of local residents to reduce the amount of trash thrown into the local lakes and rivers. On the contrary, nobody will know about the current issue that directly harms their environment.
It is thought that we can even make some posters about protecting the environment and hang them in public places. Well, I must say that hanging posters in public places is not entirely true. The local authority won't let us hang anything publicly. We have to think another way. Hey guys, how about making a small documentary film about this problem? It's unjustifiable to say that we can have enough budget to make a film, Sarah. What I mean is, all we need is just a phone and set up some scenes to show everyone which is considered to be bad behaviors toward the local area. It is said that people usually watch a video rather than listening to some speech about the environmental issues. So, speaking for myself, I completely agree with that idea. Yeah, we should discuss more about the film project after this lesson. Miss Kim, will you join us? Of course, I'd love to support you guys. Okay, thank you for your listening and your discussion with my presentation about water pollution.
What do you think about the Japanese food? Marvelous without a doubt. I love sushi, but I don't really enjoy the mustard eating with it. I don't like it either. It's hotter than chilies, I suppose. Yeah, how about the Vietnamese food? I'd say that they are amazing. Enjoying Vietnamese street foods is like a new experience to me. There were a lot of names of dishes that I couldn't remember at all. The recent one I ate would be banzeo. Do you know it? Yeah, I tried once. I love the taste of it. I'm sorry to disagree with you on that. The taste of banzeo to me is kinda awful. Oh, really? How about, ban khao? Nah, I would rather enjoy the Indian curry then. Ah, I know that dish. But once when I went to a restaurant, they made the curry so salty that I didn't really enjoy it. Is that the Star restaurant that has just opened? Exactly. Yeah, the food there also has different tastes from country to country. That's different. I think their menu isn't very various in terms of global cuisine. Alright. How about the food in the USA? Well, they are famous for fast food, right? KFC, McDonald's, and so on. I don't really agree. They also serve other dishes, and apple pies is a must-try. Do you know it? Wow, that is an interesting fact. Yeah, the cuisine around the world is really amazing, and different people have different taste. You're right.